Yung podcast ko, that's why it's called Coffee and Comics. Talagang I centered it to comic books. A little bit of film, which is comic book based naman. Pero that's all comic books. I think one of the advocacy ng gusto ko gawin sa podcast ko, maybe we can link it here, no? You guys can check it out because ang isang advocacy ko doon is to make people know that a lot of the movies and film na akala mong ginawa lang for film, it's actually based on comics. Diba, kunyari, I'll give you one. Kunyari, a lot of people didn't know that The Boys was a comic book.
Oo nga.
Diba? Akala nila, ginawa lang yan ng Amazon Prime. No, it's a comic book. May mga nakilala akong dati. I had to tell them about Garth Ennis and ganito yung ginawa ng The Boys. Ang dami pa. There's diba, The Losers, Red, all of those, Kick-Ass, all of those are comic book properties na naging sobrang sikat silang na film that they, in a way, medyo nakalimutan nila yung source material except for mga katulad natin that we know comics, di ba? Pero for non-usual readers, it's nice that they know na galing sa comics pala to. Di ba? It's nice to know that eh.
Oo nga.
Diba?
Well, I've been like that before. Kahit nung mga... Kasi even now, parang may magugulat ka, hindi naman lahat ng comic titles familiar ka, di ba?
Oo, dami na yun. Sobrang dami.
So, nung
I like it.
yung Walking Dead, parang, comics pala to. Pero yung mga dati, a lot of my friends didn't know about Frank Miller, di ba? Parang, ang astig naman ito. Tapos, papakita ko sa kanila yung 300.
Yung Sin City,
diba?
a lot of people, hit yun nung lumabas. A lot of people didn't know it was
Oo nga eh, di ba?
ito comics pala yan. So, maganda yun in a way because pag sumikat yung film, sasabihin nila, ay, comics pala. Tapos, they'll discover the comic, they'll read it, tapos magiging comic book people sila.
Oo nga.
Nagko-convert sila. May ganun, may hindi, pero kanya-kanya na yan, di ba? To each his own.
Di ba yung Watchmen nung lumabas?
Oh, yeah.
Parang wow, ang ganda nito. But then the comics crowd who knew the graphic novel, parang iba hindi pa masaya eh, di ba?
Siyempre, yung ending kasi, not to spoil it guys, ibang-iba talaga yung Watchmen na Zack Snyder to the comic book, diba, Alan Moore. That's a big story. I remember when that came out, tonto ako, sobrang excited ako dun. Then, I'm a musician kasi you're right when saying that I was in bands, you know. I was playing for bands and I had my own band called Reclamo, and during that time I had an interview in a radio station right after the premiere of Watchmen. So I watched Watchmen. After that, pumunta na ako sa premiere. Then nag-usap kami ng DJ and the DJ was binabash niya yung Watchmen.
Talaga?
Kasi kakalabas lang, so we were talking about it. I don't think they understood it kasi they were like, it's so boring. I was like, kulang sa action. Why? Ba't ganito? Ganyan. So I get it. I think what the failure of that film is, malalim talaga Watchmen eh. Diba? So it's hard to turn it into pop. Yeah. Para siyang jazz. It's heavy jazz that you're gonna turn it into pop. Medyo ang hirap niyang i-dissect in that sense. So people, I think, were expecting Iron Man. Di ba kakalabas lang ng Iron Man noon? So everyone was like, wow, Iron Man action. Di ba?
Yes,
Masaya.
And also the costumes kasi ng Watchmen when it was shown in the big screen. Parang may superpowers sila eh, di ba?
Yeah, people thought.
People were expecting that this is gonna be parang
I think,
X-Men.
yes, exactly. Thank you, Gerald. I think people were expecting an action-packed comic book film. It's not. It's the opposite. It's the dissection and the destruction of which, di ba? So
Which if you knew Watchmen before, you would know that it is a very cerebral, very philosophical graphic novel eh. A lot of
very nihilistic.
A very complicated a mix of very complicated topics na rarely seen in comic books.
Yeah.
Di ba? And ngayon kasi parang
I think
madami nang gumagawa ng mga ganong klaseng genre. But when it came during its time,
siya lang yan. I guess Alan Moore started that whole dissection of the superhero, diba? After that, yan na, Garth Ennis, may The Boys na, may Invincible. These are all alagad ng Watchmen na yan eh. Diba? Galing sa influence ng Watchmen. Speaking of comic book movies, there's a big one coming out, and I just saw you watching the trailer of
Oh, you wanna, no? You wanna...
let's not show it na kasi I'm sure everyone has seen it. Everyone, I've checked out the channels and everyone is like, oh my God, lahat mga millions of views.
Oh.
Ikaw, what do you think about the news, the upcoming Superman?
So, I liked it. I like the first the first trailer. Although I didn't like the wheezing. Diba? Parang first introduction mo sa character, he's wheezing na parang naghihingalo siya.
Yeah.
Diba? But aside from that, I like that they added crypto. And then yung ibang kala ko nga si Green Lantern yung black na parang may force field siya.
Nandun si, di ba, si Guy Gardner?
Si Guy Gardner, di ba? Ibang ano pala siya. And si Hawkgirl nandun.
I'm excited ako dun. I think it's about time. I hope that Warner Brothers and DC make up their minds. Ang gulo na nila eh. Di ba? So I hope ito na talaga yung thematic nila. I hope ito na talaga yung tema nila. Don't stray away from... Paiba-iba eh. I think the worst yung nagpapaka-deep sila, nagpapaka-dark sila, tapos hindi naman talaga. Parang, di ba? Parang yung Arrowverse. Tapos biglang ito naman yung Zack Snyder na oh my gosh, na parang pa-deep na, pa-dark na hindi naman kailangan gawin. Because when you think about it, ang galing na ng JLU the animation. Yung 'di ba, that Justice League Unlimited, just get from there.
Oo nga eh.
Ba't sinundan nyo na lang yun? It's perfect.
Kasi ang tingin ko diyan, may analysis back then is kasi after the boom nung MCU, diba, Iron Man, parang ano siya parang party sila na masaya, 'di ba? Ang ginawa kasi ng itong take ko diyan ang ginawa kasi ng MCU, they catered to children. Yung,
but with good storytelling.
With good
so
storytelling.
So tayo, mga matatanda, we get it. Adults get it also. And we like it.
Yes, kasi kaya ako nalaman na it's for children. Kasi one time, I was dun sa, dati na may kondo kaming litirhan, I was at the public pool. Yung mga bata doon, naglalaro sila, no? Tapos tatalon sila sa pool. Tapos parang, di ba, parang ikaw, doon sa atin, pag let's say, yung action mo, pag lilipad ka, kunyari, paano yung action mo?
Parang Superman, di ba?
Superman, ganun, di ba?
That's usually the case.
Parang pag ganyan, di ba? Yung sa kanila, ang lipad nila, ganun.
Kasi Iron Man.
Sabi ko, nagulat ako sa yun pala. So what I think Marvel did is to cater to kids. So that which is brilliant kasi lalaki yun eh. Parang captured market yung isang entire generation.
Well,